G'day everybody, welcome back to my channel. Firstly, I'd like to say thanks to all the new and current subscribers. Means the world. I've got some interesting and exciting things coming up in the future, but for now, let's hit what I'm in. I am currently in my sister's new car. Now let me explain that a bit further. We decided she's got an old VX Commodore, and I just checked and it's got 334,000 kilometers on it. So it's clunking away. It still works, but it's starting to get a bit tired. So my sister is a type of sister that always puts herself first. She left school at 16 to raise me. She always looks after my brother and his kids. She's always there for everybody. She's been through thyroid cancer. So I thought, after chatting with her partner Richie, I thought let's give back to her. Now I'm in a position to do it, but we still, we obviously can't afford a brand new car because, like, it's not like I've got a channel that gives me an income or anything like that. So, so we decided to go halves, and we've picked up this car that suits her to a T. It is a 2003 Mercedes-Benz C200 compressor Evolution AMG. So what that means is it's a 1.8 litre. It is supercharged, and it from factory was optioned as the Evolution AMG pack. So that's leather steering wheel, gear knob. It has the 17-inch AMG alloy wheels, and the AMG suspension. So no engine mods or anything, which is what I wanted. And stuff like that. So what brought me to this car is it was advertised on Facebook Marketplace, and usually the cars there are pretty dodgy or flogged, but this was a female that advertised it, so I thought I'd go have a look at it. It was a really good price. After going to look at it, I found out that it had full service history from Mercedes-Benz, even though it's an 03 model. The brand new Continental tires. Awesome leather black interior. The only thing that lets this car down is just got a couple scratches, but no dents. So no dents, just scratches. But it's a perfect car for my sister. And if you're watching this, we've already surprised her, but she just doesn't like to be on camera. So yeah, so I'm just sort of filming it like this. But let me just say, she was excited, but she is attached to her old Commodore, but I think she'll come around. So yeah, so 2003, drives like a dream. It's got just over 200,000 kilometers on it, which sounds like it's getting up there, but it is 03, and it has a full service history from Mercedes. So for the year, the kilometers is actually low, and the car's been looked after immensely. Now we took it for a roadworthy, and it passed with flying colors. It needed bugger all. So there you go. There's the cluster. So supercharged 1.8, not a powerhouse, but zippy, which is what she wants. But it's got the moon roof, and you pull it right back. It's got the curtains that come back. Sunroof lifts up and then opens. Now it opens halfway, and then you open it fully. Now this car is awesome. She's never had a European car. She's always had her Holdens, but I just wanted to give her something small, compact, good on juice, looks attractive for its year, and has some features that, it gives her a little bit of luxury in her life, because she deserves it. Like I said, she's been there for everyone, so this is only a small token of our appreciation for giving back to her. So let me take you guys outside and give you a better view of the car. Here it is. We'll start with the rear end. Yeah, there's not much to sort of show really. It's just a C200 compressor, but optioned with the Evolution AMG pack. So the Evolution AMG pack includes these alloys. They're 17-inch, 245s on the back, 225s on the front. Continental tires. We've polished the headlights. We've got a little bit more polishing to do, but we have polished the headlights up. Now look at that. for my sister, I think we picked up a great car. It was really well priced. We got a bargain with this car, and since it passed roadworthy, this car was amazing value, that's for sure. I think it, you know, like, yes, I'm an old school car guy and I like 70s 80s Jap cars and Aussie cars, but I think for her this is perfect. So it has a complete moonroof. She's never had a sunroof, so it has a complete moonroof at the back. Like I said, it has these nice AMG optioned wheels. So the AMG, I'll just say again, the Evolution AMG pack includes suspension, wheels, leather steering wheel, leather gear knob. Like you can see, it has a few scratches here and there, but the car's not perfect, but it presents really well. So I'm super excited to give it to her. I'm super excited to know that she'll have a bit of luxury in her life, and she'll be in a nice, reliable car that obviously looks really nice as well. So let me show you the interior quick. Alright guys, here's the interior. Classic Mercedes-Benz styling, 5-speed automatic. Everything is 100% original and factory, which is, when I'm buying a car, is just the way I like it. If I'm looking for a nice clean car that I know hasn't been mucked around with and hasn't been ghettoed or crappy wiring or anything. Coupe, but it has a lot of room in the back seat. You can fit 2 people comfortably, 3 squished, but even the leg room and stuff is awesome. As you guys can see from like the leather interior, the dash is awesome. The leather interior is good. It's got aluminium insert. The whole car's just great. This is the motor. Simple, straight 1.8 litre 4-cylinder. It's basically clean condition. You might be able to see the supercharger down there. But yeah, it's just classic. There's a little bit of oil leak here, but we'll fix all that up. It's just classic Benz styling. Alright, so we're back in the car. I'm just going to take you guys for a quick spin around the block, just to show you how it drives, and then we'll bring it back. Let's go. This car drives amazing. I wish you guys could feel it. All the bushes are done, everything, it just floats, and that, you can't ask for more in a car when you just purchase it. You know, like, I worked at Mercedes. I did my apprenticeship there during this era, at head office. So I know a bit about these cars, but they're still unknowns. You can only look so much when you buy a car like this. You know, you don't have a hoist when you inspect it and whatnot. So yeah, but I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but this car is smooth. It changes nice. A 5-speed gearbox. Suits are just perfect to putt around, do the shopping, putt around town, whatnot. This car feels brand new. I'm not even joking. So take it back. See if I can give you guys a little hit. No one's on the road. This car gets up and picks up for sure. So not that she needs that, but if she needs to overtake or whatnot, she can. So anyway, we're back now, so give you one last look at the outside. We'll go from there. Yeah, so to my sister, I love you. I hope you enjoy the car. I know it's not a brand new car, but damn, it's a nice car. I hope you enjoy the car. I hope you enjoy receiving something, you know, like us giving back to you for all the sacrifices and ups and downs and everything that you've done for us. I hope you enjoy it, as this is a small token of our appreciation. Because yeah, that's basically what family does. Family sticks together, and family support each other through the ups and downs. So I love you. I hope you enjoy your new car. To everyone watching that's made it this far, thanks for hanging in there. Let's give some likes and some thumbs up and some comments, and let's show I don't know, let's just show my sister that, you know, good things happen to good people. Love you all. Tune into my next one. Cheers.